Want to know some of the top keyboard shortcuts in TikTok? Well, TikTok offers several keyboard shortcuts for easier navigation and control while using the platform on a desktop or laptop. These shortcuts allows users to quickly perform actions like switching between videos, liking, muting, and more without needing to use a mouse. Well, you can use the navigation that is up arrow and down arrow for navigation on the video. So you can either go to click on up and down on arrow. Now I don't have the app here, I'm doing it on browser, but if you use the up and down arrow, it'll be for navigation. Similarly, if you use the L button, then it'll like the current video that is being played, or you can use the M button to mute or unmute the video. Similarly, there are other basic command prompts that is Ctrl plus C for copying, for Ctrl plus V for pasting, and Ctrl plus D for duplicate it, or Shift plus Ctrl plus C to add a comment. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.